Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing how you can connect your Xbox controller to your PlayStation 4 with no adapter. Let's get started. So essentially, this direct connection is not supported because both of these consoles use different communication protocols and it is not a natively supported method. But there is a roundabout way by which you can go about this, and that would be by using remote play. If you have a PC, you can use it as a middleman, and this will allow you to play PS4 games on your computer with a Xbox One controller. And it will always work with remote play. But then again, this is a very roundabout way by you can do this. Another way you can do this is by using third-party applications. Some software solutions might allow you to remap controller inputs, but this requires a PC and it may be expensive to purchase these third-party applications. These are two of the most common methods by which you can connect your Xbox controller to your PlayStation 4. However, this is not very recommended unless you have an adapter. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.